Hi, is the seat taken?
Oh, hi. No, it's free. You can sit here if you want.
Thanks. It's such a nice evening, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
I love evenings like this. The sky looks so beautiful.
True. Look at those colors. Orange, pink, and purple. It's like a painting.
Yeah, nature is the best artist.
Ha ha, that's a good line. So, do you come here often?
Sometimes, when I'm free, I like to take a walk here. What about you?
Almost every day. I come here to read or just relax.
That's nice. What are you reading?
It's a novel. The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway.
Oh, I've heard of it, but I never read it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's simple but deep. It's about hope, courage, and never giving up.
Sounds interesting. Maybe I should read it too.
You should. It's short but powerful.
Thanks for the suggestion. By the way, my name's Aisha.
Nice to meet you, Aisha. I'm Ravi.
Nice to meet you too, Ravi. Look at those kids. They're so full of energy.
Haha, yeah. I wish I had that much energy.
Me too. I miss being a kid. No stress, no worries.
Exactly. Just play, eat, sleep, repeat.
That's the best life.
True. Now we just worry about work, bills, and deadlines.
So, what do you do, Ravi?
I'm a graphic designer. I design posters and logos.
Oh, wow. That's creative.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to school kids.
That's awesome. You must be very patient.
I try. Kids are naughty, but they're sweet too.
Yeah, I can imagine. You must get funny stories every day.
Oh, yes. Last week, a student wrote an essay titled, "My Dog is My Brother," and said they both fight for food.
That's hilarious. Hey, your ice cream is melting fast.
Oh no, I was talking too much.
Haha, don't worry. That's part of the fun.
Do you like ice cream?
Who doesn't? My favorite is chocolate.
Mine too. Chocolate lovers think alike.
See? We already have something in common.
Maybe we'll find more.
Wow, this breeze feels amazing.
Yeah, it's so peaceful here. I love coming to parks.
Me too. It's a great place to clear your mind.
Yes, sometimes I sit here and just think about life.
Same here. Whenever I'm stressed, I come here and everything feels lighter.
Nature has that magic.
True. I think people forget to enjoy simple things like this.
You're right. Everyone is busy looking at their phone.
Yeah, but look around. Real beauty is right here.
Exactly. The sound of birds, the color of the sky, kids laughing. That's real happiness.
Couldn't agree more.
Aw, look at that cute dog.
Ha ha, he's so fast.
I love dogs. Do you have one?
I used to. His name was Bruno. He passed away last year.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. He lived a happy life. I still miss him, though.
I can understand. Pets become part of the family.
Yeah, they really do. What about you? Any pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Mimi.
Cute name. Is she friendly?
Not really. She acts like a queen.
That's how cats are. Full of attitude.
Yes, but I love her anyway.
The sunset looks beautiful today.
Yeah, it's magical. I wish I could paint it.
You paint too?
A little, just for fun.
Wow, you teach, you paint, multi-talented.
Not really. I just enjoy doing creative things.
That's great. Creativity keeps life interesting.
Yeah, and it makes me happy.
I think happiness comes from doing what we love.
I totally agree. Do you ever feel lonely when you come here alone?
Sometimes, yes. But it's also peaceful. I like my own company.
Same here. Being alone isn't always bad.
True. It helps us understand ourselves better.
Yeah, and today I got to meet a new friend, too.
Same here.
Do you want tea? I'm buying.
No. Let me buy this time.
We just met. You don't have to.
It's fine. My treat.
Okay then. Thank you. Hot tea and cool breeze. Perfect combo.
Exactly. Simple joys of life.
You know, talking to you feels easy.
I was about to say the same. It feels like we've known each other for a while.
Maybe we were meant to meet.
Maybe. Life is full of small surprises.
The stars are starting to appear.
Yeah, look, the first one's already there.
It's beautiful.
You know, I used to make wishes on the first star when I was a kid.
Really? What did you wish for?
I don't remember most, but I always wished for happiness.
That's a sweet wish.
What about you?
I used to wish for chocolate every day.
That's even better.
It's getting late. I should probably go.
Yeah, it's almost dinner time.
It was really nice talking to you, Ravi.
Same here, Aisha. You made this evening special.
Thank you. Maybe we'll meet again?
Definitely. I'm here most evenings.
Then I guess I'll see you around.
I'll be waiting.
Bye, Ravi.
Bye, Aisha. Take care.